Hello and welcome to this quick video. This is about giving away this thing here. This is the Flynoceros RatKwad frame that I started the giveaway for a couple of weeks ago. Thank you to everyone that commented and got in the spirit of the giveaway. Going to use a random comment picker as always here. So just cut and paste the link into the random comment picker, load the comments and then click on pick a winner. So thank you again to everyone that left a comment and liked the video. The winner is Josh Hodson. Josh, congratulations, you are the winner. So just having a look at Josh's channel on here and checking all of the subscribers, there is my name. So well done, that's great. It's always nice when I can see that. Some people hide their channels that they're subscribed to, but for things like this, it's always nice to just see that you are a subscriber already, and thank you for doing that. So Josh, pop me your address details on an email to lee@painless360.com, and don't worry all the rest of you that didn't win, there's going to be another giveaway on the channel very soon. So again, a massive congratulations to Josh. And Josh, do remember to send me that email within the next 7 days. I'll get the prize out to you. If I don't hear from you in a week, I'll redraw the prize. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support, and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organize all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.